So Dan, can you pour me a glass of this filtered water? I want to see how it looks.
Yeah, so very simple, turn the tap towards you, there's your filtered water.
And that to me looks really clear, as mineral water would look. It looks really, really clear. How does it taste?
Well, try it yourself.
Let's have a go.
You should notice the difference. What you find is that...
I can't taste any chlorine.
Yeah, that's
the
exactly
first thing
it.
I noticed.
That's
really
exactly
pure.
it.
It's almost like a mini water treatment plant under your sink, isn't it?
Yeah, in the size of our filter, it's doing quite a lot of good stuff there. So we're taking out a wide range of chemicals. The one you're really going to pick up on is the chlorine, because that gives you the taste and the odour that we sometimes don't notice because we're so used to it with our water. But when it's filtered, you can see the difference.
But it's why people choose to buy mineral water. It's why people choose, and that's why we've got this plastic problem going on. And we're trying to cut down on plastic. So this is a fantastic way to do it, because we can get the quality of mineral water from our own tap without the expense and without the plastic and the pollution and everything else we're trying to cope with.
Exactly. If you're buying mineral water, it's a bit of a no-brainer. You're spending all this money on individual bottles, each one plastic that needs to be dealt with. Very big problem, obviously.
Absolutely.
And it's just on demand. It gives you that improved quality. Okay, so if you're conscientious about what you're putting into your body anyway, if you buy organic milk, you know, you're making a choice there to have something that's a bit better. Okay, so it's the same sort of philosophy. Drinking water out of the taps, good enough in this country. Quite fortunate there. But this is better, and you will notice the difference.
Absolutely. Well, I can taste it straight away, and I've got used to it. And my children love water. They drink water all the time. They don't really drink. We don't like them drinking fizzy drinks and that kind of stuff. So I'm always encouraging to drink more water, but sometimes it's not that great. But when it tastes like this, there's no excuses, is there?
No, my daughter's used to be squash all the time. She's just switched to plain water now since we've had this tap installed, and that's what we give her to take to school in her flask every day.
That is a fantastic part. That is on demand when you want it at that price. And when you add up the saving over all the bottles of mineral water you use, this is a no-brainer, isn't it?
The thousands and thousands of litres of mineral water that you're paying for, with all that waste going into the environment, is no comparison to this. It's excellent value for money. And it's just right there to use as and when you need it.
Brilliant. Cheers.
Cheers.